Hey guys, Duncan here from Duncan DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect fire in your wood-fired pizza oven, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start putting some logs into the bottom here. Some nice hard dry wood. And I'll put in some scrunched paper. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to build up like a tower in here. Get this fire burning nice and hot. Stack some up on the side. Some firelights. Alright, let's light it up. Right, we'll let this fire burn for about 2 hours. Keep adding wood to it to get the base nice and hot, and then I'll take you into the next steps from there. See you now. Okay, so the fire's ready. It started raining, so I've pushed the coals back, I've swept the base, and we're gonna start cooking pizzas. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Cheers. Okay, so the fire's been burning for about an hour now. Just added a few extra logs on, and in the next half an hour or so we're going to push the coals back, add a few more logs, and then get ready to cook the pizzas.